Frank, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. They didn't beat me up or nothing.
Alright, I'll go ahead and unhandcuff you. Has he been searched for weapons?
Yes, I took his gun,
Okay.
I took his bat, I took his taser.
Captain, you coming in here?
Captain, I'll go take care of that if you wanna come down.
How's your day been going?
I'm doing good. Got a new suit, you know.
I like it. I like the suit, man. I do like it.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Like your shoes too, man.
Thank you. They match the hair.
I like how they they match your hair, man.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm trying really hard. Frankie, are you doing okay? They didn't hurt you, correct?
Perfectly fine. No, they treated me with respect.
Okay, good. These cops are decent, so I like them.
We've been well trained.
Yeah.
Captain.
So who's the arresting officer here?
I think they may have been mistaken.
I think it's gonna be Captain. So,
The
Captain, you
captain?
going as arresting officer, correct?
I would assume so.
Yeah, we're gonna do Captain. So.
Yeah, so you're gonna be Captain or me?
Captain, what's your name, sir?
Captain Trey Davis.
Do Captain.
Trey
and you're
Davis.
assisting.
Okay. So, I hear that you guys are trying to imprison my associate. I would like to know what are the charges?
He was evading a peace officer earlier today. I saw him with my own eyes, and multiple officers have seen him flying a helicopter over the water. I asked him to bring the chopper down, safe location, and talk to me. Disobeyed. And then he had a person with him who was in the water. We're getting reports of illegal coral taking. Came out to find him. See a guy in dive gear out there swimming, and he's trying to. He won't land his helicopter, and he flies down the other side of the beach to pick his buddy up and then flies off.
I was never at the beach.
So Frankie is our security for Burger Shot. He's an employee of Burger Shot, and he's been running security to the Burger Shot warehouse because we've had a couple of break-ins lately.
Understandable.
That's fine. He was
So
identified early on the beach in the same helicopter we saw land on the thing. He was immediately identified being the driver and in the same vehicle we saw earlier.
So you got is the exact same vehicle because we rented that.
Exact same helicopter.
We rented that helicopter out. Are you sure it's the exact same one? Because they do have multiple.
Exact same helicopter.
He's even wearing.
Is there a plate? Is there a plate for it?
Oh.
How do we know?
You need a plate when you're the only ones out on a helicopter in the city.
There are, but the warehouse has multiple helicopters. The one that we rent out.
And they're all paid. It matches.
Everything matches.
They all look exactly the same.
Yeah, they all look exactly the same.
How can you tell the difference? They all wear this. All the
I
pilots
mean,
wear the same uniform.
Yeah,
How do you know
it's
it was
security.
me? We all had helmets on. How the fuck do you know it was me? It's a different guy. I promise. I wasn't.
So where's the guy with the where's the guy with the scuba gear that you say my defender? So the scuba gear got away.
Yes, he never came to us. He avoided us as well.
Okay, so how do we? So you have no proof other than that you guys. You have no proof. You have no proof that it was Frankie here that was flying the helicopter, other than the fact that it's the same. It looks like the same helicopter.
No, Captain here saw him get in the helicopter. Saw him flying the helicopter.
He saw someone dressed like me flying the helicopter.
Yep. Exactly same
with the helmet and earphones, I'm assuming, for the pilot seat.
Everything on there supposed to have on. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the security uniform, and this is also a pilot's uniform. So let me ask you this.
And he landed in a place where you're not even supposed to land a helicopter. So
where on Burger Shot? He has a permit. He has a permit.
No, he doesn't.
He has a permit. He has a permit from Burger Shot.
I need
the owner.
Of the
okay, we can supply that permit at the trial. This is not trial, obviously. Unless you guys are playing judge, jury, and executioner.
No one said that.
So, what is he being charged with exactly? I want to know the charges, times, everything.
Disobeying a peace officer.
And drug trafficking.
So I was at the Burger Shot when he landed on the roof. Frankie, did you not hop out of the helicopter?
I immediately got out of the helicopter and complied with the officers.
So how is that disobeying a police officer?
Earlier.
You
can't prove that was me. I wasn't there.
You have no ID. Do we have fingerprints for that crime? Any pictures? Any visible proof because my client is innocent until proven guilty.
Of course, but we had multiple officers recognize him. I had another officer
You
recognize
you recognized the clothing. You yourself stated that he had a helmet, earmuffs, and a microphone on.
Okay,
One
so
of your,
basically he's
one of
not
your
gonna.
officers even
Okay.
stated as I was being brought in that he's seen multiple people dressed like
Okay,
me
Frankie. Okay,
throughout the
Frankie.
city.
Hold on.
All right, so what's
So-
gonna happen? We'll drop the law enforcement thing, but he was in possession of like 8 things of coke brick. So
He was. Do we have fingerprints
Okay.
off of that?
I mean,
He
it
was
was
driving
in
a
the
helicopter,
company's
doesn't matter.
helicopter.
It was
so I
a
mean,
rented
Possession is
helicopter.
Possession is 9/10 of the law. Does not matter. I don't care. Okay, you could go rent a car right now. You get pulled
Sure.
over in it and it's stolen. You're in possession of stolen property, regardless if you stole it or not.
Actually, if you have a rental agreement saying that you rented it, it is false. You are not liable for renting out a
Okay.
stolen car.
Okay, well somebody.
If you are in
someone
a stolen
leaves you-
car,
Okay.
if
okay,
you are,
you land Mr. Frankie here a car, right? You stole the car. Mr. Frankie does not know, correct? Okay. Frankie gets pulled over. He is in possession of stolen property. That is a
Correct.
crime.
but
Whether or not he knows it.
we
That's
did
what I'm
we
saying.
didn't he didn't get a lent helicopter. He got a rented helicopter. The rental agreement states that if you have a legal binding document,
Okay,
which is a
well,
rental agreement stating
until the
that
rental-
he rented
until rental
the
papers-
helicopter, you can't charge him for possession of a stolen property because
until
he
the
didn't
rental
know.
papers are given, then he can be charged with drug trafficking.
So what is the charges?
It's gonna be drug trafficking.
No. Time frame. I want
Time frame?
times.
Are you gonna cut it down, or what do you want to do, Captain?
No, we're gonna hit with the
Okay.
book. I mean, because
Hit
if
him for
it
everything?
comes down to it,
It's
then
gonna be
the owner's
it's gonna be
burger
10
shop.
months and 10K as the fine.
Let's bring it down. We'll do 15 months with 5K.
No,
Come on, guys. I'm trying to work with you guys here.
I'm trying to
He's
work
up to
with you
Captain
too.
here. He's the arresting.
I don't agree with this. I mean, if we're talking about you guys rented, then maybe we should bring in the owners of burger shop. Why there's coke inside their helicopter? Should we do that instead?
No, because I mean it's a rented helicopter.
I
We
mean,
we
so-
should talk to the rental company, which we will be filing legal suit against them as well. So that's a different story. That's not between us two. But I just want to make sure that my guy here is on the right side. So
just gonna do 10 and 10,
he's more
just
willing to
keep
do more time for a less of a fine.
20 and 5.
20 and 5.
Frankie, does 20 and 5 sound good to you?
Do 20 and 5 and take it off my fucking record.
I can't do that.
We gotta wait till court.
Frankie,
if y'all
yeah,
gonna
we'll have to
go
wait. We'll fight that at court. But
Alright.
but language, man, language. We're trying to be professional and nice.
That's not my cocaine.
I mean, but
So-
you were
so we
driving
will-
a
Like I said,
helicopter
we will-
in
possession
possession of-
is
Frankie,
not-
Frankie,
I
chill,
wasn't
chill.
involved.
Frankie.
Possession is not.
All right, we will go ahead and do the 20 and 5.
All right, sounds good.
All right, guys.
You guys need to talk to that
Captain,
that
you go
rental
ahead and take
agency
him.
right now. Then
Yeah, we will be talking with them and filing a suit with them as well. Don't worry about that.
But I say
We
that's
will
gonna
handle
be
that on our
a-
end.
Right now, like I said, that's gonna be a civil suit between you and the rental company.
Yeah, that's
Not even
fine.
gonna involve us. Like
Yeah,
I said,
that's not
possession
that's
is
between you
9/10
guys.
of the law,
Turn
so with
around.
him being in possession of the helicopter with the cocaine in front, it's kind of like wrong time,
Tell
Good
Bodie
stuff,
to look up.
but,
Yeah, we will.
Plus, it was a harmless crime. It didn't hurt nobody.
Frankie, just stop talking. Frankie, just stop talking. All right, guys.
All right.
Go ahead-
like I said,
go ahead
we're
and
gonna-
book him.
We're gonna go get him processed.
So,
and
20 and
take him
5,
to
correct?
jail.
Yep.
Alrighty.
20 and 5. All right. You have a good day, sir.
You guys let me out, or is this unlocked?
You're good to go. Can I have an officer escort him out, please? Oh shit.
By
Love
the
it.
way, Trey, there was a guy that ran in here trespassing, and then he FA quit when I cuffed him.
Somebody walking me out
Follow me, sir. Yes, I will.
this way.
All right, I'm just gonna escort you down to the cells. All right, man.
No.
Don't tell him, bro. Don't tell him what he's. Don't tell him. Don't tell him how. You're supposed to. Tell
I
him what
appreciate
he's
you guys working with me,
Yes, sir. That's our job.
and we'll definitely be filing a suit against the rental company and everything.
As you should.
Yes, sir. Hey, what was your name, sir? I know we've met a couple of times. I'm just trying to get names to faces.
Ronald Crone.
Ronald?
Yes.
All right. It's nice to meet you, Ronald. Right here?
Yep, and when you're free to go right
Thank
here.
you.
See you later.
Yes, sir.